Welcome back. In this lecture, we're gonna discuss about comments in C#. Comments can be used to explain a piece of code or can be used as reminders. For example, you can leave comments in the code and explain what and why you did that. First, let's open our previous application, which is Jungle. Okay, let's go to the File menu and click on Open Folder option. Now, go to the project directory and click on the Select folder. As you can see, the Jungle application is opened in the Explorer view. Alright, C# has three types of comments: single line, multi-line, and XML documentation. Okay, the first type we're gonna tell you is single line comments. Let's put a single line comment above the crawl method and say what it does. This is a single line comment syntax in C#. As you can see, single line comments start with a double slash, and everything after these slashes is ignored by the C# compiler. As we told you, comments are used to help document what a piece of code does, so keep the comment simple and meaningful. We can put this single line comment next to this statement too, but for better understanding, use the single line comments in a separate line. Now, let's run the application. As you can see, all messages are displayed in the terminal, and the comment isn't considered by the C# compiler. One thing you should know is that we can comment a piece of code too by putting double slash, for example, before this statement. Let's run the application again. As you can see, the compiler doesn't consider the crawl method. Alright, the second type is the multi-line comment, which starts with a slash followed by an asterisk and then an asterisk followed by a slash. And everything between asterisk is a comment and will be ignored by the compiler. This is a multi-line comment syntax in C#. Generally, multi-line comments are used to comment more than one line. Now, let's comment fly method by multi-line comment. Let's run the application again. As you can see, the fly methods don't display anything in the terminal. So, in totally, we use single line for short comments and multi-line for longer. And you should know, we can put our comments anywhere we want. Now, let's run the application again. As you can see, we get the same result. Alright, the last type of comment is XML documentation, and we talk about it in the intermediate course. Okay, that's it. See you in the next lecture.